Hello viewers, this Style Too Fast here. In the past, I've made videos showing you how to use a click-style torque wrench to tighten a bolt. Now in today's video, I'll show you how to use an electronic digital torque wrench. With it, you can quickly set the target torque value, and as you tighten that bolt and reach that target torque value, the tool will give you an audible and visual alert along with a vibration in the handle letting you know you've reached a target torque value. These tools are very accurate and simple to operate. I'll show you everything you need to know, so let's get started. Right here is the ALAIAL digital torque wrench. And right here is the digital torque wrench. First thing I'll do is install the batteries. Remove this end cap. Install the batteries into this battery holder. So let's have a closer look at this digital torque wrench. You have the forward and reverse switch. To turn on the wrench, press the C button here. Looking at the display, the top right hand corner will show you the battery level. Now currently the unit of measure is pound-feet. If you press the U button, it will change the unit of measure. This is pound-inch, kilogram-centimeter, Newton-meter, back to pound-feet. Now the middle will show you the measured torque value, and there are two modes for the measurement. You have peak, and you also have trace. When it's in trace mode, this value will show you the real-time torque value. If you change it to peak mode, then this number will show you the maximum measured torque value and hold it. With this torque wrench that I have here, the measured torque range is 1.5 foot-pounds to 99.6 foot-pounds, and the accuracy is plus or minus 2%. Now the top left-hand corner you see P1. With this wrench you can save 10 target preset torque value, and you can recall the saved preset so you don't have to keep setting it every time you use it. So for example, I'll use this to torque down the drain bolt on my Nissan Rogue, and with that bolt I'm going to torque it down to 23 foot-pounds. So what I'm going to do is press the up and down button here. I'm going to set this to 23 foot-pounds. To confirm, press the C button here. And now this target torque value of 23 foot-pounds is saved to preset 1. If you press P, you can toggle to different presets. Now when you're using this to torque down the bolt, there are 3 indicators letting you know when you've reached a target value. Now earlier when I powered on this tool, you saw the LED indicator here illuminate. When this LED indicator is green, that means you're at 85% of your target torque value. When it's yellow, you're at 95% of the target torque value. And when it's red, you're at 100% of your target torque value, and you need to stop. Also the handle will vibrate letting you know when you've reached the target value. And the tool also has a buzzer sound to let you know when you've reached a target value. Now if you don't use this tool, the tool will shut off automatically, or you can press and hold the C button to turn it off. I'm actually doing an oil change right now on my Nissan Rogue, so let's use this to torque down the drain bolt on the oil pan. Now this Nissan vehicle has a plastic oil pan, so it's very important you don't over tighten that drain bolt. Many people have had problems with the nut insert stripping when you over tighten it. Here's a drain bolt with a new copper crush washer. Here we have a 14mm socket. Now I'm going to start tightening this. Is at 20 foot-pounds right now. As you can see, the peak value is 23 foot-pounds, and I felt the vibration in the handle, so that's when you want to stop. So at this point, the drain bolt is torqued to 23 foot-pounds, and you don't want to tighten this anymore. And here's a look at the display. The number in the middle is the measured torque value, and because I set it to peak mode, it'll hold the display showing you the maximum measured torque value. Now if you want to clear that measurement, press the C button. Now the value is 0 and is ready for the next measurement. Here I'll show you another example of using this digital torque wrench to tighten down a bolt. I'm going to tighten this 13mm bolt on this bracket that's holding down this power steering oil pump. Now torque spec on this bolt needs to be 15 Newton meter. On the tool, I'll set the unit of measure to Newton meter. Now it's measuring Newton meter. Next, I'll set the target torque value to 15 Newton meter. $15 Newton meter. And right now it's set to peak measurement. $10 Newton meter. 11 Newton meter. 12. 13. 14. Now once you feel that vibration, you need to stop. So the peak measurement shows 15.2 Newton meter. So now you know this bolt is tightened to 15.2 Newton meter. As you can see, a digital torque wrench is very easy to use. It's perfect for working around your vehicle, and you need to tighten that bolt accurately to a specified torque spec. Now this digital torque wrench that I have here has a range of 1.5 to 99.6 foot-pounds. It's perfect for most nuts and bolts on your vehicle, and it retails for about $60, which is very affordable. If you want to pick one up, check out the link below. I hope you enjoy watching this video. As always, thank you for watching. Thank you for watching this video. To support this channel, remember to click on thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell so you get notified of new videos.